Look what I have here, a piece of paper. Ta-da! Look, a paper crane. But this is not any ordinary paper crane. It's a movable paper crane. Ohayo! Watashi wa Howard-san. Today we're here at Malaysia Origami Academy, and together with me I have the master folder, Mr. Kenneth.
Hi everybody.
Today we're going to do something very cool. A lot of you know how to do a crane, right? Origami crane, right? But this is different. This is something special that I first know about from Kenneth. This is a kinetic origami. It's a movable one where it can flap. This is pure genius. It's so cool and interesting. So Kenneth will be showing us how to do it today.
So let me explain a little bit about this model. This is a kinetic origami, and you can see that it actually can be moved without any battery, and it's folded from one single piece of paper. Alright? So let's get started. So there are two colors to one single piece of paper. So let's start with, say, the white color. So first what you need to do is to fold this into half so that it's in a rectangle shape. The bottom edge here, from my perspective, the bottom and top. So you fold it down into a triangle, and then I will turn over, and let's repeat the same because this model is symmetrical. And we are going to transform this into a square by opening up the pocket right in the middle, all the way, and squeeze it down. So magically, we have transformed a triangle into a square. So now I'm going to take a flap and bring it to the center. Bring over the top triangle, crease it, open up. Now back to a square, and we are going to take the top layer up and squeeze from both sides. So these will transform into yet again 4 triangles. Alright? Now let's flip over and repeat the whole process again. Alright, so after that, we just open this up and give it a pinch. So bring this down right here. So now we're done. So if we move up the wings.
Whoa, Kenneth, you only took about 2 minutes to do it. Wow, so fast. Look, it's so fun. I feel like a kid again, playing with this. Okay, so time to get serious. It's my time to fold this movable kinetic origami crane. We're done!
Alright, this is a flapping birds, origami flapping birds.
So cool, and I only took few minutes. Okay, I sort of cheated a little bit, kind of helped me to pre-fold it. So it was so easy. And there are a lot more patterns, as you can look behind us. There are a lot of models here that you can learn. So I definitely would ask all of you to come over here at Malaysia Origami Academy. Meet Kenneth. He's such a pro at origami. He is A to Z, the Wikipedia of origami, right? So come meet Kenneth and learn how to make origami. Alright, with that, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye-bye.